Baxi is based in Preston and it is one of the leading domestic and commercial heating suppliers in Europe. We've been keeping people warm for nearly 150 years now. Generations of families have grown up with a Baxi boiler in their home. Right from the beginning, we've been an ideas company. We're always coming up with new ways to improve our products, from making them more energy efficient to designing them so they're easier to service. At the start of our relationship with BEC, there was room for improvement in the way we managed the movement of components from manufacturing to assembly. We wanted to make the whole process easier, faster and more efficient. We already had MoveX ERP system in place, but we realised without accurate data being input into MoveX, we wouldn't get the benefits. We recognise there's a lot of errors occur when data is entered manually. We decided to move away from manual data entry to an automated data capture solution which would interface directly into MoveX. We spent a lot of time investigating in the market for a solution and chose BEC, who had a long established relationship with our MoveX developers. They really stood out from other companies because of their working relationship with MoveX business consultants. They are very experienced and have highly specialised knowledge in the data capture area. The first thing BEC did was carry a thorough review of the business processes at the different sites. After that, BEC went away and came up with a solution to suit our specific needs. Sigma acts as the front end for most of the supply chain activities for Baxi. We use Sigma to record the receipt of raw materials, and it helps us manage the movement of items in and out of the component warehouse. Staff can use the solution to bring up product details when they need them. This helps them to check that the item has passed all the necessary checks and it has been packed properly with all the necessary fitting and instructions. And Sigma also updates automatically a record of the finished goods into the warehouse. Sigma also automatically receives the product information into the finished goods warehouse.
On the eSmart system there is one process that we use called direct put away. Items come in, they scan the item goes away wherever the system tells them. Once the item is scanned into the location, we have a picking area where we have the items picked out of the area. It uses all the old stock first, so we have stock rotation. Once all the items go to the line, then the boiler is built. The boiler will be scanned off on the end of the line, which picks up all the items that goes into the bot, all the kits and everything that goes with the boiler. Every item is scanned. The eSmart system picks up everything that should be in the boiler. We can collect all the information through the system, so we know that the customer has had everything that is required. Once the boiler goes to the wrapping area, the item is wrapped, then the item is scanned again where it tells you the quantity on a pallet. Then once the label goes on, the item is ready to go to the finished goods warehouse.
My experience of BEC is that they're always very flexible and willing to go the extra mile to provide the solution that we need. For example, they provided extra functionality that was not available in MoveX. This helped us capture and control multi-level storage containers. The support we've had from BEC has always been first class. They are always very responsive to our requirements, and any issues are resolved very quickly.
I find the eSmart system very easy to use. You can request anything that you require and BEC come up with a solution with everything that we need to put on the system.
We've made huge improvements in the management of our stock efficiency. One of the main benefits is that the customer receives all the parts for a successful installation. One of the first benefits of the BEC project was a 10% improvement in our inventory. We've had a long relationship with BEC and expect it to continue. Whenever we see opportunities for improvements, we always consider BEC.